All right, y'all, we back.
Back at it again.
You know it. And what's that? Another giveaway. Ooh. This time we're going to do it a little different. Now, for those of us that paid attention to the ad that we dropped the first time, didn't we tell them to go watch the other ads so they could learn how to play and learn how to win?
Now, did y'all do that?
I'm hoping y'all did. But if you didn't, remember, you can go to the page now, Rolling with the Fam, and check out our giveaway, and you can learn how to win and how to play. We're not affiliated with Amazon nor Visa. This is solely on Rolling with the Fam, and we would love for y'all to participate.
This is our way to give back to y'all for supporting our channel, watching our videos, commenting, liking us, even a thumbs down, y'all.
Yeah,
it's
any
okay.
interaction is a good interaction. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Yep.
And for this giveaway, like I said before, we're going to do it a little different. It's going to be like a series, and we're going to drop it. Well, we're going to go live every Friday night at 9 p.m. Eastern, right, Mom?
Okay.
All right.
Okay. Y'all hear that?
Yeah, y'all hear that? So remember, don't forget to be subbed up and have your notifications turned on so you know when we about to go live.
Now again, go back and watch our last giveaway video because we're not playing.
Yeah,
We're serious.
This is the best giveaway on YouTube. And remember, we don't want your data. We don't want your emails. We're not mining y'all information. We just want your eyeballs. Just come and win and have some fun. And we can talk about some good topics. And maybe we can do it a different way the next time. If y'all like it this way, then we'll do the next giveaway the same way, and so on in the future.
But y'all gotta participate in order for us to keep doing it. So
yes.
If you don't watch, then you don't get the money. Okay?
Yeah. So you gotta watch, you gotta comment, you gotta like, you gotta subscribe. You can thumbs up, you can thumbs down. Who cares? Just give us them interactions.
Yep.
Let's juice those algorithms.
All right. So we'll see y'all back at 9 o'clock sharp.
9 p.m. Eastern time.
Yes.
Remember that. So we'll see you there.
Bye.